Alright, here we are at Hacklebarney State Park, New Jersey. We got a Hacklebarney veteran here. How many times have you been to this park?
At least like 8 times.
8 times? What's your favorite part of the park?
It's yet to come.
Yet to come. Okay, about to come up. And how many times have you been in this park?
Once.
Once. This is the first time.
No, this is 2.
So twice.
No, actually, this is the third time.
We'll talk about that later. In the meantime, about to sign off. About to show you guys Hacklebarney State Park in the great state of New Jersey. In what year did Hacklebarney Natural Area become part of the Natural Area System?
75.
Yeah, that's correct. 1975, ladies and gentlemen. What is the main river in Hacklebarney State Park?
The Black River.
The Black River, that's correct. We're all over it. Get your state trivia. What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click down below to subscribe to my channel. You can also check out the sidebar to see more videos or to check out official channel merchandise. Thank you so much for the support, and as always, happy travels.